Retinoblastoma is a very rare but highly malignant cancer involving the retina, which is a layer of the inside of the eye which processes light and sends the vision signal to the brain.
Retinoblastoma is a very rare disease with only about 200 cases diagnosed each year in the United States. One of those is toddler Savannah Smith.
She was about 4 months old. We started to notice a white cat-like pupil in her eye. You could kind of see into her eye, basically. And the pediatrician told us to watch it and give it about a month and see how it went. And after it didn't get any better, he sent us to the Children's Hospital Eye Center. This was June 3rd.
By June 5th, the Smiths knew their daughter had retinoblastoma.
It's very aggressive. It gets into the brain and elsewhere in the body. And it was only after doctors were able to diagnose this that they could begin to think about how to treat it. And the first treatment was simply to remove the eye.
Her right eye was completely removed.
The other eye was initially treated with the standard chemotherapy plus laser and freezing treatment. And there were multiple tumors in that eye. Most of them responded to that therapy, but there were 2 tumors that did not respond to that therapy, and these tumors continued to grow.
So Harbor used a different approach with Savannah, implanting a plaque into her eye that was coated with radioactive seeds.
We deliver the radiation in another type of eye cancer called melanoma by using a plaque, which looks like a gold bottle cap, basically. And on the inside of the plaque are little radiation seeds. And we can surgically implant this plaque on the surface of the eye and leave it there for a certain amount of time. And that will kill the tumor by delivering a high dose of radiation just to the tumor, but very little radiation to the rest of the eye or to the brain or the eye socket or other structures. So we've known for several decades that this is very effective for ocular melanoma, which is an adult cancer. But it's been a more recent idea to use this therapy in children with retinoblastoma.
Only a few U.S. centers offer the plaques as a treatment for retinoblastoma, and Savannah Smith was only the second child to receive the plaque therapy at St. Louis Children's Hospital.
The tumors were of a size and location that they were perfectly suited for this plaque radiotherapy. There are a small number of specialists who take care of children with retinoblastoma. Some of those specialists also take care of adult patients with ocular melanoma, and so they have experience with plaque radiotherapy. Some of them don't, and in general, it's only a small handful of us who already have experience with plaque radiotherapy in our adult patients that feel comfortable going ahead and doing this in children. So it's a very small handful of centers that actually do this procedure.